Hey y'all, and welcome back to
If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying.
Okay,
And I'm Ariana.
and we are the hosts for this Home Goods shopping spree. Now y'all know I don't have a Home Goods in my area. When I lived in Charlotte, I was at Home Goods every single day. So not to be able to go to Home Goods, let's just say I got my fix while I was up in Charlotte. This may be a part one. This is part one, and it may be a part two because I have a lot of stuff and I want to make sure that y'all watch my video to the end. So we may be doing two videos, but let's get into it. So I'm gonna show you my first haul that ran me about $60, and this is from the South Park Mall where I used to live in that area, and went there. And I found this beautiful, lovely, to see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 dessert dishes. Look at the print on that. It has all the different colors, pretty pastel.
It looks like Minnie Mouse.
Yeah, kind of. And it has the lovely stand for it. And they're individual plates.
You could put like cheesecake on it.
Yes, we're going to use these for our dessert when we have our lovely tea party before she goes home. So, oh, and this was $9.99. You can see the price. $9.99. Excellent, excellent find. Is that over there? Use the handle. The next I came across these pretty just plain white fruit bowls, and these were $5.99.
You can use them for ice cream.
Yeah, she said ice cream, that's what they're gonna be. These were $5.99. You get 4. Has a nice little scallop design throughout the dishes, and we got 4 of them. Let's see what else. I totally forgot, y'all, what I actually picked up. So y'all are actually with me while I'm going through my bag. And I found this nice ladle. You're cooking and you want to sit your spoons and stuff on the stove, and it says blessed.
That way.
Yeah, hopefully they'll be able to see it. And this was $3.99. So I thought this was really nice, for $3.99 I said I'm gonna get it. Okay, set that over there. And I found, you know me, in the clearance section, I really didn't have a lot at the South Park Mall area, but I was happy to find these green starfish dishes.
So beautiful.
And I got 2 of them. Hold one of them up. And got 2. See the details on them. And these are the melamine dishes. And they were $2. So you'll see these in the upcoming tablescape. I've got 2 of them. This is, oh, I know what this is. Oh my goodness. I got a bottle of basic garlic and bread dipper oil, and this was $4.99. And you can see all the beautiful herbs. Look at all that. This is going to do great on grilled Italian bread on the grill, isn't it? We're gonna have a lovely summer with some nice shrimp and maybe some crab legs sitting outside this summer after we get out of the jacuzzi. But it's from Diana's, and it says basil and garlic bread dipper. Never tried it, but it looked so good and I wasn't leaving it. Look at all that sauce. Oh, goodness. So,
Gonna be
think
good.
you're gonna try it? Okay. Get some nice Italian bread and cut that up, and that's gonna be a nice little snack for us. Oh, these are my favorite. Also found this on clearance. This is melamine as well from Shabby Chic, and it has the bees on it. And it's the salad fork and the spoon. So we paid $3 for this set. And you'll be seeing this come in one of our upcoming tablescapes. I really liked this. This is really nice. And that melamine, I tell you, you don't have to worry about, stuff breaking on you. And it just stays, secure. All right, lastly, I got one more thing. Lastly in this haul, I found these French vanilla coffee spoons. And these were $3.99. And they have the French vanilla in this, in the spoon. And it has a wood handle. And you just drop these down in your coffee. And it's supposed to give the flavor of French vanilla. I thought this was a very cute find. I'm gonna try one of these out because I love French vanilla in my coffee. I probably won't use all of them. I'll just have them for my table on a tablescape. But a lovely, lovely find. I wish they only had one when I seen them because I would have grabbed 2 of them. Use one for me, for my coffee, and then one just for the tablescape. So I got that. And then lastly, in this find, this was $5.99, and it's like the wicker brown, and it holds your napkins. I had one many, many years ago, and I thought it was time to upgrade. And you just stick your napkins, put the holder down, and then that way when we're sitting outside.
And it's super windy, they
Yes.
won't blow away.
Exactly, honey. And again, these were $5.99. This was $5.99. Okay. So as usual, I'm just making sure because I have got a lot of stuff. Yep, and as many. Oh, okay. So with that being said, we're going to end the conclusion for this part 1 video from the Home Goods in Charlotte. We appreciate you watching, and don't forget to give us a
big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that.
No, just go ahead.
Comment down below, give us a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Comment down below.
And we'll see you on our next video. And as I always say,
If it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it.
y'all stay blessed until the next video.
Bye.